Hi guys, it's Brittany from the blog thebeautyrevival.com, where we're inspired by home and the people in it. Today I wanted to share another really quick textured clay treatment video, but this time I am taking that same treatment that I did on a vase a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to apply it to an inexpensive Ikea table and make it look a little bit more custom. So let's get to this Ikea hack. To paint the top, I am going to make my textured clay treatment, but I won't need very much paint for that glass top. So I'm just going to mix half a cup of this pure white paint and then 2 tablespoons of baking soda to get the thick kind of chalk-like paint that is going to dry nice and textured and matte in color. So you just start applying directly to the glass. I ended up doing 3 coats, letting them dry in between before adding the next one. And then on the 3rd coat, I used a blow dryer and my paintbrush. And while I was blow drying it, I just added extra paint on, and this gave it a lot of extra texture. And that's it, taking this Ikea side table and making it a little bit more custom. I love how much it brightens up our space as well.